Good morning, students. Today we will be discussing Business Studies project. Students who will be doing project on visit to a mall, the names of those students will be given in PDF. So today we will be discussing Business Studies project, that is visit to a mall. So let us begin with our discussion. At first, you will make the cover page of your project file in this manner. At the top, you will be writing the name of the school. Then you will be pasting the picture of your school. After that, you will be writing project report on business studies. Then topic visit to a mall. Then you will be writing your name. Then the class from which you are belonging and roll number. In this way, you will make the cover page of your project file. After that, you will make the certificate page. Now, in this certificate page, you will be writing your name. In the name of the student, you will be writing your name, then the stream from which you are belonging, then the subject teacher name who has helped you in doing the project, and then the name of the subject. After that, you will be writing or you will be making the space for the signature of the subject teacher. After this, you will make the acknowledgement page in this manner. In this acknowledgement page, you will make the space for this subject, project which you are doing, then the name of the subject teacher who has helped you in doing this project, and at the end you will make this space, that is name of the student, that here you will be writing your name, then class, that is 11 commerce, and roll number. In this way you will make the acknowledgement page of your project file. After that, you have to make the index page in this manner. In index page, you will be making few columns, that is for the serial number, then the topics, then date, page number, teacher's signature. In this way, you will be making the index page. Make sure that you use LACE file for doing the project. Don't use glue for pasting the pictures. Use glue for pasting the pictures. Don't use sellotapes for pasting the pictures. And you will be writing on the ruled pages, and you will paste the pictures on the white pages of your project file. And you have to label each and every pictures that you are pasting. Now comes the introduction. Here you have to discuss about the mall which you have visited. As you have visited Ambience Mall, so here you have to mention about this mall. So where this mall is situated, that it is the Ambience Mall, it is in Vasant Kunj in Delhi. So this is the mall where you have visited. So you have to write a complete introduction of this mall. Now you can add here few points, that is what type of products they are dealing with it, how they are satisfying the customers. So similarly, you have to focus on these aspects, and you will be writing this in introduction. And you can paste the picture of this Ambience Mall in this way. Then comes about. Now about this mall you have to write here. Here you have to give a brief description of this mall. Now what are the products which they are dealing with it. Okay, so in this about part you have to give a brief description of this mall, where it is located, when it had commenced its journey. You have to add it here. So similarly you have to write this Ambience Mall in this manner. So related to this aspect, here you have to mention the year in which it had commenced its journey, what are its future plans and programs. You have to mention it here in this part. Then comes the mission. Now here you have to mention the mission of this mall, that as what is the mission of the Ambience Mall, what are its future plans and policies, how they are satisfying the customers, or what are their future goals. You have to mention it here. Now they are having one of the main mission, that is to satisfy the customers. Additionally, they are also providing the better quality goods so that the customers become loyal towards their organization. So this is the mission statement of this Ambience Mall. Then comes the local as well as the international brands. Now here in this local and international brands, what we can see, that there are certain brands in which this Ambience Mall is dealing with. So here you have to focus on the brands which they are dealing with. As this mall is dealing with different local and international brands, you have to mention it here. There are certain international brands in which they are dealing, and they are like as Arrow, Blackberry, Anoki, Anita Dongre. So these are the different types of local as well as the international branded products which it is being kept in this mall. So you have to give a brief description about this mall. Apart from this, if you want to add any other name of the brands, then you can add it here. Then comes the service business shops. Now here you have to mention what are the different services which they are providing. That means the Ambience Mall is providing which services. You have to mention it here. You have to say that with the help of which services the customers are satisfied here. Now there are certain services which this Ambience Mall is providing to the customers, and they are like as Gitanjali Saloon, Monsoon Saloon and Spa, Lux Saloon, Kaya Clinic. And apart from this, they are having the different shopping malls as well as the showrooms of the different branded products under one roof. So this is the way by which the Ambience Mall is providing services to the customers in order to attract the customers. Then comes the most visited shops. Now here under the same roof we can see that there are certain shops, or there are certain shops which we can see in this mall which the customers are visiting, and the names of those shops which are present in this mall, and they are like as the Burger King, KFC, McDonald's, Mac, Pizza Express. So these are the different these are the different shops which the customers are visiting. So you have to write it here, and you can paste the picture of this mall on the left hand side, that is on the white page of your project file. Then comes the special attractions. That means in this special attraction, what does it say? It says that apart from the services to the customers, on which aspects or what is the main attraction of this shop. So like as there are certain special attractions in this mall, and they are like as the Smash, that is the bowling alley, Then comes kids play area, that means it is the fun space for the kids. Then comes the fun city, that is fun for kids. Apart from this, there are certain other points of attraction, and they are like as the food court, PVR shows, and this is attracting most of the people in this mall. So this comes under the special attractions of this ambience mall. Then comes the parking facility. That means apart from the different services, this mall is providing the parking facility to the peoples, those who are bringing their own vehicle. This mall is having the larger parking facility, and the parking area can accommodate nearly 2000 cars. It is having a CCTV camera which is keeping a continuous watch on the cars, and watchman is present in each and every block in this parking lot. So this is the parking facility which the mall is providing to the peoples. Then comes the conclusion. Now in this conclusion, you have to write that what you have understood from this project. Now here you can add that from this project I have understood that satisfaction of customers is essential. That means in today's era one have to satisfy the customers, and if the customers are not satisfied, then the organization will be not running for a long time. So this is the conclusion which you have to write. Last but not the least, that is bibliography. Now here in this bibliography you have to write the source from where you have taken the help. Don't take the help from Wikipedia because it is a pirated one, and apart from Wikipedia you can take any other source, that is google.com. Then comes the Investopedia. So these are the different sources. So you have to mention here that the sources from which you have taken the help for doing this project. So in this way you will be doing the project. Thank you.